Lives and livelihoods are now being threatened as the coastline in parts of Clarendon is being eaten away by the sea. But amidst the crisis is a fresh effort to help save the area. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The early morning sun kisses the water while a boat heads out to sea. A perfect island picture. Or is it? The lands around parts of Clarendon's south coast are under threat. Where this man walks was once a wider expanse of land called Welcome Beach. Now it is a fraction of what it once was. Not that welcoming anymore. Mangroves nearby have toppled over because their roots have no land to hold on to. With the mangroves gone, the sea has a clear run at the land.
You can see right now it's much narrower, and much of the roadway that was behind the beach is starting to get eroded in some places. There's a lot of seaweed piling up on the beach as well, so it's not as nice whether for swimming or for to function as a fishing beach. There are a few remnants of the original structures, because quite a few people lived out here before Ivan, but that's what really started the decline of this whole beach. And as the erosion continues, there won't be much left of it in another few years.
The eroded soil that is deposited in this channel has made sailing in the area increasingly difficult. It is a real test of the seafarer's skills. Chart the wrong course and this could happen, a shipwreck.
Because the breakwater at the channel entrance to the river is being eroded, so fishers have put those markers there to guide themselves through the channel to find the deeper sections, because there's siltation going on at the mouth of the river. So if you don't keep to the deeper sections, you will run aground in the soft sediment that's constantly shifting because of the erosion that's taking place there. So much of the beaches in this area are being eroded away.
But why should you care? Brandon Hay is the scientific officer at the Caribbean Coastal Area Management Foundation, CCAM. He says the entire ecosystem in the area has lost its balance, and this could spell danger for these coastal parts when storms or other weather systems hit.
Parrotfish produce quite a bit of the sand which ends up on the beaches, which creates beaches. However, we have additional problems in this area and throughout much of Jamaica that have to do with the reef quality itself.
Last month, the Inter-American Development Bank IDB signed an agreement for mangrove restoration with the University of the West Indies. It is hoped the US $2.45 million deal will help make places like Salt River more resilient against things like erosion once some of its mangroves are replaced. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.